Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover a Gmail account without phone number. So you have to go to browser first. Right here, Gmail forgot password. Then you can see here change, or you can do anything like Gmail login. Click on sign in. Let's log out it. Sign out. Okay, you can see here that the mail is here which is signed out. If you want to sign in again, click on this, but you forgot the password. Now how you can recover it? You have to go here, forget password. Now you have to enter the last password, or you can see here try another way. Click on this. Now you can try another way. The code will be sent to this email address which is associated with your Gmail. You can do it and check your email address, and you can enter the code here. Or if you don't want to this, try another way. You can forget password. Try another way. Now you can see here, open your YouTube in your phone. So one thing is associated with your phone. You can go to your phone and check it like this. You have to just click here from your phone, yes it's me, with green tick, and it will be changed here automatically. Okay, so now if you want to update your password, you can do it. Click on continue. And you can update your password here. Okay guys, so this is how you can do it. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.